Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Getting ready to make dinner, very hungry. I've been really struggling with this challenge this month because it's Meatless March, Meatless Challenge. There aren't a lot of meals I like that don't have meat in them. I mean, I'm very much carnivore. I mean, breakfast has meat, lunch has meat, dinner has meat. So, I'm going to make an old classic. Going to do grilled cheese and tomato soup because it's just good, and it's actually one of the meals I actually enjoy eating that doesn't have meat in it. So not the most creative, but it's a classic, so we'll get points for classics. Alright, let me get my soup on. I'm just going with a can of Campbell's because I thought about making my own soup, which I thought would be really nice, except I had 4 cans of these, and you know, it should always, for proper rotation, first in, first out, you should rotate your product. And with some blasphemy, I'm going to add a little water. I know. Water? What? I actually forgot to buy milk. So, I guess I'll just have to have less than creamy tomato soup. I know, boo Mark, but you know, I forgot. It's my fault, 100%. I guess I'll just take it on the chin. Alrighty, got my soup on cool, or I got it on low because it's kind of already warmed up. So, got some cheddar cheese, got some sourdough bread. This is just a Seattle sourdough waterfront. I'm going to reach in front of the camera and drop my stuff. My butter literally just came out of the refrigerator, so I'm just gonna throw it into the pan. Get the pan all lubed up. I'm putting a little extra in here because when I put the bread in, it's gonna absorb into the bread. So you notice I'm using the back burner because I was using the front burner that I had problems with earlier today, actually not long ago, because I did another video, another cooking video, and the damn thing was heating up red again. So got my sourdough. I'll put it right in the butter. I'll put some cheddar cheese all over it. Sweet. Love tomato soup and grilled cheese. And then I guess I could do a zoom in on shot. So, there's that going. Not the most creative this week, but what are you gonna do? Next week I'll probably do something completely away from the challenge because not other videos, not other meals. There's not a lot of other meatless meals I could think of. I mean, I did the pepper jack sticks, like I said, that was last week, but this week I was kind of stumped. So it's still gonna taste phenomenal because I love grilled cheese and tomato soup. So it's an old timeless classic. All right, I'll bring you back. Unfortunately, my bread is getting dark, but my cheese isn't fully melted yet. I don't want to burn the bread, so let's go ahead and pull it off. That's the sandwich, nice and grilled. Put that on the bowl, or the plate, excuse me. Get the bowl for the soup. Alright, So I went and cut the sandwich so it would be perfect for dipping. Give this sucker a dip. Hot. Nothing like an old classic. I put a little black pepper in the soup because I like black pepper, so. I might come back and make another sandwich. Alright, that sandwich was so darn good I had to make another one. Another big knob of butter. Alright. Throw the bread right in the butter. A little bit of cheddar cheese. You can use American too. I happen to have cheddar and I'm trying to use it up, so. Maybe I'll also add just a little shake of Parmesan. Nice. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and call it. Cheese isn't completely melted, but I don't want my bread burning. Oh yeah. Nice and golden brown. Oh, as I drop my knife. Yeah, a pro tip, if you ever drop a knife, just let it fall to the floor. Don't try to catch it, because if you caught it like this, or like this, yeah, that would spell disaster. Just let it hit the floor. Alrighty, well, needless to say, clean plate, clean bowl. Kind of full, actually pretty full. Ooh. Second sandwich just right over the edge, but it was so tasty. Classic, delicious. And I get the fun of cleaning up and doing my dishes. So thanks for watching again. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. And have a great week. Have a good one.